And coaches, we're going to discuss the play wizard. This one seems pretty straightforward. Just a couple key reminders that I'd like to give you as we go through it and where to select things, how to create a play, how to create a play with some options on it, and then adding our situational tags, and then flipping the play as well. So let's get right to it. Our offensive play builder is underneath play scripts. You can also see that I've made a shortcut in the play wizard, but we'll go through the long way and we get right to the play wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click the hamburger to kind of maximize some of our space. Put your eyes in this area here. This is where our play is going to build. So let's go ahead and do a run. We're going to click on run, and for us this is going to be an outside zone play. So I'm going to click on outside zone. Notice that I'm clicking in the arrow, not necessarily in the box, and it checks. We're going to do this from the left hash, and we're going to click next. The direction of the play is going to go right, which would make it going to the field. We're going to run this out of our base personnel. Notice that I have a next here, and then a step. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the step 3. That gets us right to it. We'll run this out of our pistol formation, and we're going to put this formation that we're going to run it in is going to be tabby. The tabby strength is going to be to the right. We're going to click next again to get to step 4. Let's go ahead and shift. We're going to burst to this formation, and the motion that we're going to use for this one is we're going to have our F is going to fax. The play name for us is going to be Anaheim. As I start to type in Anna, A-N-A, Anaheim has been already entered previously, so Anaheim pops up. We don't need to add a description, but if you'd like, you can. And we're going to add an RPO in the back. We'll go ahead and add a curl to the back side for our RPO. Going to step 5 here. Situational tags, again, really important. We like this on 2nd and 4 to 7. We like it versus an even front, 3rd and 8 to 11. Okay, any of these tags, we really encourage you to put these in. Put more rather than less in. We love this in the green zone, and we're going to run this week versus demo Coach Tactix. Go ahead and click next. We love this play every week. Once you put this play in one time, it'll be there forever, so we're going to make it a staple play, and we're going to go ahead and put this in here. I'm going to see here that 349 is available. So I type in 349, and we're going to save the play. It tells you that the play was saved. We're going to go ahead now and flip the play. You'll notice that Anaheim is going to go to Ducks. All of these things are going to flip. Click on flip play. We're now going the opposite way. It's going to go left. We're on the left hash. Anaheim and Ducks has changed. Our RPO stayed the same, and all of our tags are in there as well. We can go right to finalize. Using a template is really, really important. So we're going to use this play, but let's just change the formation. We know that our formations are underneath step 3. We're going to run this out of a 3x1, but it's just going to be just a little bit different. We'll go ahead and stack somebody up. We'll go tabby 23. And let's change the motion on this to a FUP, an F up, and go ahead and finalize once again. So we're using the same play, still outside zone, just changed the formation, did some window dressing, and save the play. Not going to put this one on the wristband, but I am going to go ahead and flip it since this is the different formation. We will flip it one more time. We actually ended up back on the left hash now. It says we need to go ahead and save it one more time. We do give you some directions and some indicators up there what you need to do. Go to finalize play and save the play. Really awesome how we just made 4 plays in about 2 minutes. We will dump this play right now, and we'll clear the form. We're starting from the beginning. Just wanted to get to a couple other things here real quick. If you wanted to do something in play name, underneath here in play name, if you wanted to have something special, let's just say we're going to run Saints with an X option on it. Even though that play does not come up, we hit enter. It will automatically add that to your data library, so you do have the option of typing in plays as we go. I also want to have a new motion for that week. So if we wanted to add it and we didn't have something in here like this, We're going to add an S motion. So let's go in here. We'll click on New. This will pop up. We're going to add a sinky motion. Okay, it doesn't have a flip right now, so we'll just go ahead and save that, and I'll click Close. I'm still in the middle of my play, but sinky will now appear, and that will be an option for us to have. So as you're going in and you're adding something for the week, or you have a play data in there, we can add that on the fly and go with it from there. Any questions? Always reach out to us at support@coachtactix.com.